Today, I'm going to share with you a delicious mutton biryani recipe that you can easily make at home. To start, you will need the following ingredients: 500-gram mutton cut into pieces, 2 cups of basmati, rice, 1 large onion, sliced, 1 tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, wonton, cup of yogurt, 4 cloves of garlic, minced 1 inch of ginger, grated 2 cinnamon sticks, 12 strand cardamom, pods of 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, fresh cilantro and mint, leaves for garnish, 3 tablespoons of oil first. You will want to marinate the mutton in a mixture of yogurt, biryani masala, ginger, garlic, and salt for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, soak the basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. In a large pot, heat the oil and add the sliced onion, cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, and cumin seeds. Saute until the onions are golden brown. Then add the marinated mutton and cook until it is browned on all sides. Next, add the chopped tomato, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Cook for a few minutes until the tomato is soft. Then add the soaked basmati rice and mix well. Pour in 4 cups of water and bring the mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice and mutton are fully cooked. Once the biryani is ready, fluff the rice with a fork and garnish with fresh cilantro and mint leaves. Serve hot with raita or your favorite chutney. There you have it, a delicious and aromatic mutton biryani that will surely impress your friends and family. Enjoy.